Watch the full video please.
They sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, we got a wave check. First off, you got a velvet do-rag on, so I already know it's not going to be popping like that. And second off, I know you're going to show your face at the end instead of your waves. Watch. I ain't lying. Let me see them waves, bro. Sheesh! Got a couple of forks. Let's see what I tell you. Showing your face. Let me see your waves. Stop showing your face. Sheesh! You got another gray hair waver. What we about to do, a washing style? What's that? That shampoo? What the heck was that? What happened to your gray hair? Hold up. What in the magical world is... Why you always wearing do-rags? You must be bald-headed or your hairline receding. Ooh, that would definitely shut them up. Yo, this back when OG Cruz was spinning, man. Watch and learn. Great lather off bat, man. He ain't even had to... Cruz, what you doing? Where the lather go, man? Bring it back. Oh, yeah. OG Cruz got the memo in my last video, huh? Now that lather looking immaculate. He gonna come back with some dope lather. The after is even better. Great shine and everything. And he getting himself a lineup. Can't beat that. Alright, y'all. So we got a curls to waves in 60 seconds. I don't know if you ever had waves before, but we about to see the outcome if you don't do a part 2. But yeah, wet your hair always. What the heck just happened? The phone just started lighting up and junk. What? Showing my phone. Is it my phone or anybody's phone? Sheesh, I'm too old for this, man. All right, second, brushing the lather, looking dope. Is that the first wash or the second wash? Cause I don't know, I lost count. But the lather gone, so you need to rinse that part out. And then add some more shampoo. But the hair looking pretty laid. That light messing me up though, cause I can't see. I don't see no waves in there. Okay, rinse it out. Please give me on rag. The video got like 5 more sec. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Alright, y'all, now this is the best part of a washing style. When you washing your waves, when you see that lather, that's how you know your waves are clean. But then you going with the brush to lay everything down, and you see the lather foaming up looking so good and immaculate. Then you rag up, rinse it out, and your waves gonna come out looking shiny and connected and super duper laid. Alright, y'all, so the reason it's not lathering, alright, I'm gonna get at something. Alright, it's not lathering because he's deep conditioning his hair. Alright, it's not shampoo. It's just deep conditioner, avocado conditioner. One of the, I feel like, most nutrition based conditioners. Better than Cantu, I'll tell you that. But it still came out looking good. Great shine, great lay. Even though it was conditioner and there was no lather, that was a great job. Yes, sir. We got blonde waves, medium texture hair, looking like medium coarse, one of those. And y'all see the transition from regular brushing to vertical brushing, because a couple forks on that top left corner. That vertical brush is gonna knock them forks. Dang, what you do? You picked it out instead of combing it out? Oh, no, that's way too low, guys. That is too low. It's like 1.5. Go for a 2 next time. You know, wolf like 50 weeks to cut it down to 1.5. Nice cut, though. Oh, yeah. We starting off strong. That lather looking immaculate. And the hair laid down pretty good. Oh, nah, combing. I don't think you should comb. No. You just messed up. Okay. Yo, let me tell you what's going on right now. This is vertical brushing. You do that when you want to break forks. So if you got a couple of forks you're trying to break, vertical brush. Yo, what y'all think it means when a do-rag is ripped up like that? The wave cap. It don't mean that you putting in work. It just means that junk is old. You got a new one. Great shine, man. Medium texture waver. Work on closing that crown and that fork up top. But everything else looks good. Wave check 101. Alright. Hey, bro, you better put some pressure on that brush, man. This dude just put cocoa butter. Hold up. Alright, y'all, we got our first wave check of the day. Alright, get you a better do-rag, my boy. Alright, let's see what you're working with, man. Great shine off bat. A little bit of over curl. Keep wolfing, keep brushing. Do a better washing style so you can really get that nice light. Yo, what you doing, Ken? You look like you about 11 weeks wolfing, and I don't see no lather. Like, it's all dirt. What was that? Yeah, it's about time for a haircut, my boy. Washing that was fast. Come on, bro. What? Alright, bruh. I don't even know what you doing. What are you brushing in? You ain't. Did you even wait for your hair to dry? What